Hey everyone, want to do a quick little video of how to change a garbage disposal. So if you're thinking, oh, that's way too in-depth, too hard, that's deep plumbing, I'll show you. I just did it. It takes about 2 minutes. Here's the top of the sink. Let's go down here to the bowels. First off, so here's my old one I got in the bucket. Got the new one, got the Barracuda. It's on sale at Maynard's. I think it was 60 bucks. Half horsepower. So, luckily, we have fairly new construction. This house is from 2004 it was made. So it comes with this flange, right? This flange is already in place underneath here. So luckily, I really don't have to do anything. So you have to disconnect your dishwasher line. All you need is a pliers here. And you just take this here and you just pinch this, and that loosens. A little water spillage. Loosens that. So you disconnect that. And it also comes with two 3/8 inch bolts. Where's the camera lens? Right there. So that's all you need. There's a ratchet, 3/8 inch. Very easy. Now watch me install this bad boy. And like I said, luckily, I already had the pre-existing flange in here, so it lines up really well. That's it. See that? Snaps right in place. Let me get you in here so you can get a good view of the flangeola. Sorry about the shake there, people. So there's a flange that locks right in place. I think that locked all the way around. And then right here, it's the water line. I just reconnect that. I do need to put the new gasket on. Don't want her to leak. Now, whenever you're working with something new, you never want to over tighten it. So I'm just going to put it on here. It roughly lines up. I hope you guys can see that okay. Get the other bolt. I'm putting the new bolts in. I don't want to use the old bolts again because they fit this disposal properly. So I'm just going to tighten this down enough so that the gasket is compressed inside the hole here. I don't want to over tighten it, and then I can always come back and re-tighten it up. I just want to strip it out first time I put it in here. Looks like the gasket is seated in there pretty well. Okay, I'll slide this back and connect the pipe back up. See? Looks good. I'm gonna run the water, see if it leaks. Connect the dishwasher. Oh, see, it's leaking out of the dishwasher hole. Okay, like I said here. This is the dishwasher line. Put that back on there. Boom. See, that's the little tongue I was talking about. You just pinch this clamp. Got the flange on. The gasket and the flange looks okay. Ooh, nice and hot. Doesn't look like anything's leaking. Alright, so I'm going to plug her in here. Take it for her maiden grind. See what happens. Well, this one's a lot quieter than the old one. Yeah, buddy. Nice. Okay, back up to the sink. Installed the new, what is this thing called? Rubber dealie? I don't know what it's called. And now we bought one of these metal baskets. So hopefully no chunks of rock will get in there from the fish tank. I feel like that's what broke the other one. Seat that down in there. Get in there, you piece of junk. There you go. Working good. Sorry, I don't mind the mess. No leaks. Towel's dry. That hooked back up. That hooked back up. Looks good. Easy peasy. Easy, easy. Alright, everyone. That's your little tip of how to install a garbage disposal. Thanks for watching. See ya.